Let's turn these ingredients into a quick and easy one-sheet pan meal. Line your sheet pan with parchment paper and preheat your oven to 450 degrees. Chop your potatoes into bite-sized pieces. And dump them into your sheet pan. Peel your carrots. And chop them into bite-sized pieces as well. Toss your carrots into the sheet pan. Peel your onion. And chop it into bite-sized pieces. I like to separate the layers on mine. And toss those into the sheet pan as well. Take a few cloves of garlic and either chop, slice, or, as in my case, use a garlic press. Put the garlic in your sheet pan as well. Now we're just going to add the chicken pieces. You can either use drumsticks, thighs, or whatever cut of chicken you'd like. Add a healthy drizzle of olive oil, salt, pepper, and chicken bouillon base or any seasoning of your choice. Now we toss it to ensure that everything is coated evenly in oil and seasonings. Spread everything evenly. Put your pan into your preheated oven, and your bake time should be between 45 and 55 minutes until the chicken is fully cooked through and your potatoes and carrots are fork tender. Everything is cooked up, we just make sure that everything is fork tender, and it sure is. So we're ready to plate it up. Grab a drumstick and some vegetables. And dinner is served. Thank you so much for joining me to make this recipe today. I hope you and your family enjoy it. If you have any suggestions for recipes you'd like to see, feel free to let me know in the comment section. Join me again next time. I look forward to spending time with you. Have a great day.